Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
What not to eat in the dinner? We all recognize there are positive ingredients you should not devour inside the morning, but many don't reflect on consideration on it as a great deal in relation to dinner. There are numerous ingredients you will be eating for dinner that are keeping you from dropping weight or getting a very good night's sleep. Why starchy meals should be not eaten in dinner? Potatoes, pasta, and rice are all examples of starchy food which are normally eaten for dinner. But Tracy, a health, teaching, and private trainer for High Energy Girl, stated that these ingredients really metabolize all the way down to sugar and create accelerated blood sugar and insulin. This is not proper because it will no longer be burned for strength and could be stored as fat instead. I tell my clients to eat protein and vegetables alternatively. Why spicy ingredients should not be eaten in the dinner? Spicy ingredients should lead to heartburn later. Surprisingly, spicy food are not suitable to eat at dinner. Karen Z and RD said they can cause heartburn, especially in case you are going to lay down shortly after ingesting them. Why carbohydrates are not good for dinner? A plate of spaghetti might be high appropriation for lunchtime, while carbs may be proper for you in short occasions. They are typically not proper to devour at night. Nutrition expert Karen Foster explained, these in trendy are foods that are excessive glycemic index, which basically approaches it gets absorbed into the bloodstream at a quick fee. So in case you are not exercising and burning those sugar as a source of gasoline, it's going to get changed into fats and saved within the frame, thus placing on weight. These needs to prevent it at all costs being eaten up at the night. This consists of meal together with potatoes, pasta, desserts, pizzas, sodas, uncooked sugar, syrups, glucose, fructose, fruit juice, breads, and maximum breakfast cereals should be avoided at all prices at night. These are contradictory to everybody looking to lose weight. How greasy fatty meals can disturb the balance. It's no longer smooth to digest greasy foods like fries and a burger. As satisfying as greasy food is, particularly after a protracted day, you may withstand the temptation of having it for night. Berg said, in standard, those ingredients should be limited as a part of wholesome food plan, but extra so at night time when you consider that they're hard to digest and make a toll on your GI tract. Why alcohol is not best for dinner? Sometimes Why alcohol is not best for dinner? Sometimes two of your preferred metals can perfectly integrate. Most adults drink alcohol with dinner, but Samantha Marison, a fitness and well-being expert for Glacier Wellness, explained drinking alcohol can in reality make you hungrier and crave carbohydrates. In flip, this may result in overeating with the intention to simplest make your nighttime worse. Alcohol is technically a toxin that impacts the body and thoughts and can purpose stagnation. Although many people turn on alcoholic beverage to address their strain and anxiety, they may be better off finding an extra appropriate healthy alternative. In truth, alcohol can trigger the discharge of cortisol, the infamous stress hormone. Likewise, alcoholic liquids can position you in a prone state which aggravates anxiety and cause panic attacks. Furthermore, even as alcohol may also help you nod off, researchers display that it extensively lowers the overall best of sleep. There are no denying how critical an amazing night's sleep is for maintaining your intellectual health. So make sure to hold your dinner time alcohol intake to a minimal. Why chocolate should not be consumed in dinner? The caffeine in chocolates make it now not perfect for late night time snacking, as an awful lot of us need chocolates for desserts. Burke said that it has caffeine and might prevent you from falling asleep.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.